So in the previous video I showed you how to install DCC. I'm now just remaking this because we are going to use EEprom. So I'm just going to start the program up, manage the usual CSLI, not going to use this, again ESP32 support. So here you can see we've got this version is installed. I'm going to select my device, so it's just scanning it and it's found the Arduino Mega on COM port 8. Going to go with DCCX command station, latest product release, configure, choose the motor driver, which is the standard. Now here you'll notice I'm not going to disable the EEprom. I'll disable the program support. I want it to turn the power on, start up. I'd like the automation.h and auto advanced config. Click on advanced config and here you'll see we've got this set up. Now this is as far as we need to do. We will compile and upload. We click on here and this will start going through the install. This may take a few minutes. And here you can see some of the information on it. And we're now complete.